Welcome back to Crypto Lodge, and today we're looking at the price of Fantom and what what do we expect it to do? Well, for the past 104 days, it's been on a pretty predictable trend. We made a high of 350, which surprised a lot of us when we saw that happen because it happened so quick. Let me pull out my pitch fan and this white line I drew. You can get a pretty good, it's been respecting the lines. So this is the trend of Fantom for the past 104 days. It's been respecting this line, this bottom line, pretty well. The white line I drew in there, which I think drawing this line straight up is the line that has been the most respected. But even without that, if we just go ahead and hide that line, you can see that the price wicked below but closed above this pitch fan. Came down to it, didn't hit it. Price went ballistic. Wicks went above the highest range of the pitch fan. Went sideways in the fair value range of the pitch fan. The fair value range. And now I believe we are in a pretty tight accumulation area. We're down in the lower end of the range now. Got rejected off the fair price right here. Came down. Tried to come back up into the fair price area. Came back down. I wouldn't be surprised if we see 219, 220 coming down here, but then ultimately Fantom is going to spike. Fantom's got such a robust ecosystem, and looking at the higher levels of this pitch fan, we could be looking at some good prices fairly quickly. Let's just take a bars pattern. Say we pull a move like this again from here. That would actually put us at over $10, which my target for Fantom for this cycle, believe it or not, is $20. $17 to $20. I'm not even sure if I believe in cycles anymore. I mean, we got the ETF approved. Regulation is coming, even if it's gonna suck. But we're gonna be able to get in. Not we. I'm talking about institutions are gonna be able to get in. So we're looking possibly at a 242% gain in 14 days, 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, Fantom could be at $9 if it's at fair value. It could be over 20 bucks in 2 weeks. That can happen. It's a low enough market cap that can happen. It also could be in the lower range, around 4 bucks in 2 weeks. That's where I expect it to be. I believe all assets experience lengthening cycles and diminishing returns, so something more like this is probably appropriate. $6 by December 1st, and that's still great. Nobody can complain about that. The price right now is 270, 266. If we got there, And then 93% after it pulls back a little. 93% gain in a month. 100% gain in a month, which is not surprising considering that there's no chart big enough for. Where's the best Fantom chart? Where was it on the longest? It's not Binance. Yeah, it is here. Alright. It still doesn't go back far enough, but let's look at the trend Fantom's been on. This is gonna be fun. We got more data to work with now. It's up 170,000% in 601 days. That's less than 2 years. Can you wait that long to be a billionaire? I can. Let me repeat. It's up 170,000% in 432 days. So let's just round it to 150,000% gain in 600 days. And let's just call that 2 years. So we're really underestimating. That means in 4 years, if you put $10, if you put $10 into Fantom and it does this for 4 years, you would have, wow, like $700 billion. So, or million. Maybe I'm terrible at math. But let's do a pitch fan on this. This is more wild, more volatile here on the longer time frame. But you can see that Fantom does these clear moves. Makes a move up. Comes back down. And then it sits and accumulates. And then suddenly, out of nowhere, makes a move up. Actually made this move up here and there was a small accumulation there. Then it makes a move up. And now this was a nice downward accumulation. Great downward accumulation there back in July. If you bought in July, congratulations. Fantom, well, if you bought back in March of 2020, congratulations. I was talking about Fantom since 23 cents, so that would be late in the game. Yeah. No, I was talking about it way before Feb 2021. Back in December 2020, early December, so it was around 1 cent. Yeah, it was in like 8 cents. Who cares? Anyways, Fantom made that up move. Well, it's making one of these sideways moves again. Not a straight up move. So can we expect something like this to play out? Just history repeating? Well, let's not start it there. Let's start it where, see, it looks like we made a move like this. So let's start the bars pattern from there. It's going to go down and then ultimately up. Like I said, I wouldn't be surprised. We came up so far this year in the past 107 days. Jesus, lagging. Alright, right there. Wouldn't be surprised if we come all the way down to, wow, 54 cents that might be calling for. It would be in the natural order. This chart looks accurate, but that would put us at $155 Fantom. And the chart's not even going to tell me, is it? Let me see. 442 days. So a 52,000% gain. You just gotta wait a little over a year and hodl your Fantom. It can happen. Not financial advice. If you look in the description, I say I'm an idiot. Don't listen to me. But if you had listened to the videos I posted, T-shares, Jasmy, Coffin Finance, especially Shiba Fantom, Dev Token, Bounce, Cyrus, Zabalanche. That was 2 months ago. I was talking about that. Fantom, I was talking about 2 months ago here. TrueFi, 2 months ago. What was the price back then? 6 cents, 65 cents. What's TrueFi now? Are you shitting me? 60, it's less now? Way to go, TrueFi. That was 2 months ago. But, yeah. Shiba Fantom went up in this week. I gotta redeem myself a little bit. It's up another 27% today. In this past 7 days, it's up 270%. So if you watched my video, looked at Fantom Shiba and thought, yeah, looks good, you bought it, you're up 270%. You were up 356%, 6 days. And Fantom Shiba just keeps doing this dance upward. So I still suggest buying this. I bought more today. I caught this wick near the top, sold 25% of my holdings. I started with 20 bucks back here, turned into about 500 here. So sold like 150 of it right here. Bought back in down here when it wicked down. Waited for it to bottom. And I believe in this project long term. Same with Popsicle Finance. I believe in long term, and it's putting in some good gains right now. 56. Up 56% in 2 days with Popsicle Finance. I started off with like $2 of that, and now I don't even know how much I got. Any swap is a gem, and I don't know why the price is. Well, the price is going up. Look at this. Price is trending up, up, up. It's actually up, and I've been talking about any swap on this channel for long time, way more than 66 days. 342% in 66 days. We peaked up there at almost 500% in 61 days, 2 months. Fantom Gems, T-share is probably one of my best calls. In 7 days, it did 126%. Posted a video 7 days ago, 126%. So if you listen to T-share and Shiba Fantom, oh my God. And the profit from down here, only a month ago, 34 days ago, 3,644% gains. Boom. Fantom Gems. Let's take a look at some BSC gems over on PooCoin. Funniest name, but it's true. PooCoin, the coin actually went up like crazy, like not too long ago. Crypto Mines Eternal. Buy that shit. Look, it's going up as we speak. Not a financial advisor. I'm talking to myself. This is entertainment. I'm a clown. When I say buy that shit. Now it's up to 60 bucks. Look what this thing did. Look what this thing did to me. I used to think PooCoin sucked because it didn't have tools. But I never saw the little blue arrow. Oh my god. Eternal has been killing it. In 44 days, it's up 10,246%. And I posted about Eternal how long ago? Oh my god, Eternal. 3 weeks ago. Don't even need to do the math. Just subscribe, man. I'm telling you. What did Baby Dog do? I'm not even sure about this one. Ooh, you did good, Baby Dog. Wasn't even watching, Baby Dog. Let's grab the numbers on that. Cub. Whoops. It's a long short. We're just playing a long game. 175% gains in 6 days. It was actually, you know, if you wanted to buy at the beginning, peak to peak there in 51 days, 600%. So not as good as Phantom Shiba, not as good as T-Share. Not as good as Eternal. But that's it. Eternal's a game. Oh man, it is spiking. Eternal's a game. It's up you can find out more about it. You should always do your own research and don't listen to anybody on YouTube or Twitter to tell you what to buy. Just look at the trends and what's trending, and you'll do all right. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, hit the thumbs up, hit the bell icon, and then click all if you want to receive a notification every time I post a video. And every time it could be a 1000xer. So not financial advice, but see you next time. My name's Jesse, by the way. Nice to meet you. Jesse with a J.